Aloha everybody, this is Dylan from Craft Chocolate TV. Today we're in the Dominican Republic and we're going to learn about grafting with Zorzal Cacao.
Tu tienes una de blanco?
Sí.
So this is the trees that were never pruned. These are probably about 30 years old, and you can see it has a high canopy. It's very difficult to harvest the pods from it. It's not that it's a bad clone or anything, it's really that it's just inefficient to harvest. So what you can do, if you like to know the exact clone that you're going to harvest, you take a sucker, a chupone, which is coming out of the basically base of the tree, okay? You cut, you cut the chupone, like here maybe, okay? You cut into that chupone, the T, it's called a T graft, with a knife though, this is not proper form. Like this, more or less. You take a branch, okay, from the clone that you'd like this tree to replace, and you graft that branch from that tree you've selected in here. You then wrap it, and you let it grow in the shade for maybe like 9 months to a year maximum. And then, okay, this is an example. It would actually be something like this. So you put it in here, and then you wrap it, and it basically adheres to that chupone. And then this would now be the new clone that you've selected for productivity and flavor and resistance to disease. And then you remove this tree, you take a chainsaw and remove this tree, just like we did over there. And Ramon se puede enseñar. See? So this is an example where you did that process and then removed the tree stump right here. See that trunk?
Ah, right.
And then you are left with your grafted tree. With the clone that you'd like, and you can now manage the form of that tree for better production. Thank you.